Hi, my name is Jeffrey. Welcome to another episode of Learn with Signature. Today, we're going to talk about the types of kitchen layout design and how to choose them. So, this is the first design layout that I'm going to explain to you, and this is called the I-shape. I-shape kitchen comprises of everything in one, in the simplest possible of design. So, over here, we have the washing, we have the cooking, and imagine at the corner there we have the fridge. So in what condition we use this kind of I-shaped design? Number one, maybe we want to have a simple kitchen layout, maybe we cook less. Secondly, maybe we have a space constraint, we don't have that much of space to put in a full complete kitchen. Then, or maybe we want a simple kitchen that we want to rent the unit out. We want something which is practical and useful for your tenant. So this I-shape will come into mind in the first place. So when we come to working triangle, so we will have the washing here, we got plenty of working space, we have the cooking here. So of course not forgetting at the corner, maybe we could have our fridge at the end, fetching our food. So this makes up a complete and functionable kitchen. A step up from an I-shaped cabinet, or we call it the design. So over here we have an I-shape as well as then island here. So in what event we use this kind of layout? So in the event that let's say we already got one row of cabinet back here and the layout does not allow us to do L shape. So we can come up with this design and we can afford this island here. Okay, how we explain the working triangle? We can have the washing, we can have the cooking over here, as well as we have the fridge behind me. And sometimes these items could be swapped. I could have my washing, cooking over here, as well as having my fridge. Then I can do my preparation over this countertop and serving as well. Behind me, this is an L-shaped kitchen. So what is an L-shaped kitchen consist of? So we have a main kitchen side over here, the functions, and over here we have the storage of fridge and also as well as the machines like coffee maker and microwave. Okay, and usually in L shape we will need the two sides of wall ended over here as well, so we can tuck the whole design into the corner. When do we use an L-shaped kitchen? So you can see over here is obviously we're having a wall and we have another wall over here, and the kitchen design usually tucked to the corner so that we can construct this L-shaped configuration. Continue on with the L shape, and over here this set we have an L shape and an island. So we have the main function, the cooking, we have the cabinets and preparation area, and we have the washing here. Then we have our fridge over here. So in other words, we have the perfect working triangle, storage, cleaning and preparation, then we have our cooking over here. So this is another setup of using L shape plus an island. So for the benefit of having this L shape with an island, so we have the luxury of we can have our friends or families that gather around in this island top, and for some cases we could even having PowerPoints or power tracks onto the countertop, so that we can do, maybe sometimes we can do a simple work on the countertop, or we can do with small appliances on the countertop. So we can have a full function kitchen and to be enjoyed throughout the whole family. So how about if let's say we have three walls, left, right and behind me. So we can do a U shape, okay? Both side cabinets as well as behind here. So we have a continuity and we can fully utilize the space with a lot of storages as well as working space. So in what condition, like I mentioned, if you came into the area that has three wall confined here, you can do your U shape, provided you have sufficient place for you to walk up and down. So when we come to workspace, the working triangle, okay, we always mention on that. So I have my washing here, I have my cooking over here, as well as I have my fridge storage just here. Here in Signature, we have plenty of design, plenty of layout for you to choose. Let's say if you don't know how to choose on all these selections, don't worry, just come to any of our showroom. Our sales consultants are more than happy to guide you throughout the whole process, whether you want to do an I-shape, the L shape, the U shape, or maybe a combination IU shape. So don't forget to drop by our showroom, bring your floor plan, talk to our sales consultant. They are more than happy to assist you throughout the whole design and planning. We have come to the end of another session. Hopefully you have benefited from this session. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you have any comments, don't forget to just leave a comment down there. We will get back to you straight away. And my name is Jeffrey. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.